What is the most difficult A level? Is it economics or is it maths?
Maths, of course.
Why are you saying that? Why is it maths?
Just it's more demanding, isn't it?
Is it?
How many topics, like how many papers is there for economics?
In economics, 3 papers.
Yeah, same for maths.
Yeah, but in economics, we actually have to do maths and we have to write as well. We actually have to write essays and do complicated mathematical equations.
But you also have multi-choice questions.
So you have multi-choice questions in maths?
No, not in A-level maths.
Do you not?
No.
You have 1-mark questions?
We have 1 mark, but...
There we go, 1-mark question, multiple choice. Same thing?
No, that's not the same. Multiple choice because you can like see out of the options which one that's going to be, surely. Isn't that easy marks, multi-choice?
First of all, the multiple choice questions in A-level economics are not your normal multiple choice. It's not your, these two are obviously wrong. All of them could be logically plausible. And sometimes I need more paper to actually write out what the answer is for a multiple choice than an actual essay question.
I see.
So I say economics is more difficult.
I feel like, personally, because I know I'm good at maths and I can do maths, I probably think actually for me, economics, is harder because I did actually do economics A-level and it didn't go very well. So then, but it's fine because I had my maths and my further maths, which did go really well. So actually for me, I would say economics was harder, but then I know like the students that I teach, who are doing both subjects, they find maths really tricky because it's very demanding and you have to spend a lot of time like practicing the questions, and the way that they ask the questions in the exams are like, could be any way. Do you know what I mean?
But I would still say economics is more difficult because in maths, people that do maths, they just get it. They get it. Whereas in economics, you have to learn that knowledge specifically.
Yeah, I don't know if people just get it, but I do think like the students who are doing maths for A-level you've got to have a basic understanding for maths.
You have to have a 7, right? 6?
Yeah.
No?
Well,
6
it
touch and
depends
go.
on your school. But
7. You have to have a 7.
Yeah.
Yeah? In economics, actually, I would say you'd have to have a minimum of a 6, but in maths and English. Like, there's no point doing well on the 20% that's maths and then not know how to write essays or answer long questions. So, yeah.
Because what's quite hard about economics is like, I don't think many people do that for GCSE. And then they just pick that up in A-level and then it's like brand new stuff, isn't it?
No one does it for GCSE. Yeah. I think I knew one school in the UK that did it for GCSE and it doesn't then help them for A-level. It's just too different. So I would say, yeah.